Adventure time with the Transit Prodigy. (1181). I have not seen this kind of bus since before COVID started. Wow. Fullington Trailways. Thank you for watching today's featured video.